Hello lovelies, this is Tips with Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by to watch today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make a healthy, simple chicken recipe, okay? And today's video is a collaboration video, guys. I'm collaborating with an amazing woman, a fellow content creator here on YouTube, and her channel name is Abby the Sugar. Guys, listen to that name, exactly how our name is. That's how our channel is. Our channel is full of sugar, guys. You have to check her out. She's a food and lifestyle vlogger. She does an amazing content on her channel, and I'm sure you will love it. Our channel is full of entertaining and interesting videos, okay? Guys, please go check her out. Tell her Tips with Nikki sent you, okay? And if you are coming from Abby's channel, I welcome you with a warm hug, okay? You are highly welcome, and I'm sure you came with some sugar, because I know our channel is full of sugar and honey. So bring along some sugar, okay, and add it to mine over here. So guys, we are collaborating together, and please check her out. I'll leave our link in the description area and also pin down our comment in the comment section area, okay? She's such an amazing woman. Please check her out and tell her Tips with Nikki sent you, okay? So now, with that being said, let's head over to the kitchen, and then I show you the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe, okay? Can we be friends? Here are the ingredients that I'll be using for this chicken recipe. I have 1 onion here, 2 cloves of garlic, some cherry tomatoes, some boiled eggs, and also chicken breast. And for my greens, I have fresh basil leaf there. I have sage and also pesto leaf. And over there, I have grated cheese and also ungrated one. I'll be making use of mayonnaise. And for my dry herbs, I have oregano and dry basil, and also paprika and some salt. That's all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. So let's get started. Guys, here we go. My chicken is ready. See how juicy it looks. Thank you all for watching to this extent. Please check out Abby the Sugar and see what she got for you guys. Show us some love and subscribe to our channel. Thank you all for watching today's video. Please kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you've not yet done that, and also feel free to share this video. Thank you all. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye bye.